Those are just two of the Filipino talents that represented the Philippines in the recently held W Copa. We're going to learn about that today on Kababayan Today. As I promised you earlier at the top of the program, it's all about performers. And these performers, we need to congratulate them. Richard is a singer wearing 3 medals. Richard, tell us about your medals.
Yes, I got won 3 medals. Yeah.
Ano
for
yan?
pop
Saan?
category and
Okay.
variety category.
So singing.
For vocal singing.
All right. And Royce is the head of the delegation. Royce, ilang kababayan natin yung dinala mo dito sa competition?
Actually, ang total na delegation from the Philippines, 35 lahat. That includes models, singers, and dancers.
Okay.
Pero yung galing sa Philippines, sa Japan na Team Philippines, there were like 7.
Okay, because
7.
this is Team Philippines representing the Philippines from Japan. Ryan is Ray is a model who won. How many medals naman yan? Masyadong mabigat ata.
6.
What are those medals for?
Yes, nakakuha ako ng gold sa swimwear, silver sa casual, and gold sa formal, and overall sa modeling, nakuha ko yung Grand Champion Model of the World.
So, in short, naghakot ng medals ang model na si Ray. Royce, tell us about W Copa. What does it stand for?
Okay, W Copa is the World Championships of Performing Arts, and it's a talent Olympics. It's just like an Olympic of the performing artists. So, 53 countries are competing.
Okay.
During this event.
Okay. And Richard, as a singer who won medals, what does this victory mean for you? Ano ba to? Nakakatulong to sa career, di ba? Because Jed Madela from LA won the W Copa not too long ago, and now he has a flourishing career in the Philippines. Ano bang objective mo sa pag-join ng competition na to?
Well, napakalaking karangalan sa akin na makompete ako dito, makasali sa World Championships of Performing Arts dahil hindi naman lahat na nabibigyan ng pagkakataon na maka-join dito.
So gusto mo bang magkaroon ng career? Gusto mo bang mag-artista sa Pilipinas? Gusto mo bang manatili sa Japan at kumanta? Gusto mo bang magkaroon ng album?
Yes, of course. Yeah. Gusto kong masundan din yung ibang singer na talagang,
Sumikat,
yeah.
Oo.
Yes.
Ray, in terms of modeling naman, are you also planning on staying in Japan or going back to the Philippines?
Iniisip ko pa po ngayon, actually, I got offer from New York Management Modeling, then sa Milan, and also in LA Models.
Tama ako sa'yo, Milan. Royce, what kind of opportunities does W Copa open to kababayans like these kababayans who are very talented?
Yes, actually, W Copa is giving our talented Filipinos the opportunity to to go more than what they are achieving now. It opens opportunity to the industry, like for singers, for dancers, because offers will come and they will be discovered, and yeah, it's going to be like, it's going to give boost to their career.
And you discover these talents, you discover them in Japan. Are these kababayans raised in the Philippines but moved to Japan?
Yes.
Okay, and you're all based there?
Yes.
Working as in the entertainment scene as well?
Yes, singers.
And nakakataba naman ang puso na even if you're already living in Japan, you still came all the way to Hollywood to represent the Philippines. Oo, di ba?
Pinagmamalaki natin ang Pilipinas kahit saan tayo magpunta.
At itinayo nyo yung bandera ng Pilipinas by winning all these medals. Royce, I know that we need to thank your major sponsor.
Yes. Gusto namin pasalamatan. We would like to thank MoneyGram and SBI in Japan for really supporting these delegates to be able to compete in Hollywood. It has been a big help for us because they were supporting our fundraising and doing activities in Japan to support the Team Philippines Japan.
Because medyo magastos, no? Lilipat from Japan to LA, housing, food, and then I guess training here as well, right?
Yeah.
So thank you to MoneyGram for supporting these talents, supporting the community. You may dadagdag ka?
Salamatan mo.
Pinasasalamatan ko po yung SBI, MoneyGram. Thank you po. Kung hindi po din dahil sa inyo, hindi po namin mararating kung nasan man kami ngayon at hindi po namin matatanggap yung mga offers na inaasam po namin as a performing arts. Thank you po.
Huwag mo kaming kakalimutan pag nasa Milan ka na. Okay,
Yes,
Richard.
I would like to thank Studio 28 Productions and Lloyd's Productions at sa lahat ng mga kasama kong delegate din sa Japan at sa mga iba ko pang kasama na hindi rin nakarating dito.
Yeah. Congratulations, Pinoy Pride, and thank you for making us proud.